How to remove song from Instagram post after posting. Hello everyone, it's me Smile and here I am to help you through the way to how you can do this. So to do this, just follow the following steps. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device. If you have already installed, then open your Instagram and simply go on the profile which is on the down right side. After tapping on your profile, you will see all the posts that you have posted till now. For example, this is the post that I've posted and I have a song here. But I don't like the song and I want to remove the song or I want to change the song. Then how can I do it? Just tap on the top 3 vertical dots and you can see on the edit option, there is not any option to delete your songs. You cannot change the song right here, but there is something that you can do. What you can do is if it is a photo and you don't have it anymore in your gallery, then you can simply screenshot it. If you have the video, then you can simply save it on your device by just tapping on share button, which is not available here because this is a photo right here. If it is a reel, then you can just save it and then you can just archive the post. After archiving it, just simply post another photo and then keep the song that you want to keep. This is only the way you can change your song from your previous post. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you learned how to do it. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more videos that can help you. If you want to suggest something or comment, then please do tap and type something on the comment section. See you on the next video. Thank you.